Bootsy.
Please, I just want to so bad to see it.
I think she already had some tonight. She already had
Well,
one.
it's like crack for her.
I obviously could tell that this is like
You can have
crack.
it all the time.
She knows she only gets it once a day, if any, at all. Just give me a little bit. Just a little bit of fantasy.
Oh, look, now who's being mean, Nicole?
Your mommy is drunk, Bootsy. I'm sorry. I'm abusing it now.
Now whose name should go on the back of
The ban list? No. My name doesn't go on the list. Can I help you? What do you want, Bootsy? I don't understand what you need. You're really funny. I'm glad I have an animal in my life. You're making me laugh. And you're a freaking cat. So good for you.